Good morning. Good morning. It's a kitty there. It's a kitty here. I'm waiting today, guys. Samira here. Amira and the kitties. We are waiting today. And come. We try to keep it clean here. So I have to trim this rose back, which I did earlier. Trim more, and I trim the heads of the beautiful peony. What do you guys think about this gorgeous hosta? I'm surprised the fern got so huge. It's looking good. Look at that. The cats have plenty of room to hide. Plenty room. I'm gonna cut this rose too here. Look how tall is this rose. Can you believe, guys? It's like 4 meters tall. So, hi, kitty. I have a lot of stuff to take care of, but that's okay. I love it. White hydrangeas, gorgeous. And lots of lilies gonna be blooming soon. Look at those gorgeous flowers and irises. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's all, guys. It'll be exciting to clean her a bit before I leave, and then the cats are enjoying the yard for now, but later we're gonna bring them inside. Thanks for watching, guys.